If you are considering double donation in Spain, you may be wondering what it really means, who is it for, and how the treatment works. Double donation can sound complex at first, but the idea is actually quite simple. It is an IVF treatment that uses both donor eggs and donor sperm to create an embryo. What is double donation? Double donation is a type of in vitro fertilization or IVF. In this treatment, the eggs come from an anonymous egg donor and the sperm also comes from an anonymous sperm donor. In the laboratory, the donor eggs are fertilized with donor sperm. The embryos created are then carefully monitored for several days. Once the embryo is ready, one embryo is transferred into the patient's uterus. This means that even though the embryo is created with donor gametes, the patient is the one who carries the pregnancy. Who is double donation for? Double donation may be recommended when it is not possible or not medically advisable to use the patient's own eggs or the partner's sperm. For example, it can be an option in cases of low ovarian reserve, advanced maternal age, premature menopause, severe male infertility, athospermia, genetic conditions affecting the eggs or sperm, or after several unsuccessful IVF treatments. It can also be an option for women without a male partner who need both donor eggs and donor sperm to become pregnant. For many patients, double donation becomes a new path when other fertility treatments are not longer suitable. Why can double donation offer good chances of success? One of the main reasons double donation can offer very good chances of pregnancy is that both gametes come from carefully selected donors. The egg donor and the sperm donor go through strict medical, genetical, and psychological screening before being accepted into the program. This helps the medical team work with good quality eggs and sperm, which can improve the chances of obtaining healthy developing embryo. Of course, success always depends on each patient's individual situation, especially the uterus, the endometrium, and the medical history. How does the treatment work? The process usually starts with a first medical consultation. During this consultation, the medical team reviews your history, previous treatments, test results, and personal situation to confirm whether double donation is the right option. Then, the clinic selects the egg donor and the sperm donor according to medical, genetic, and compatibility criteria. At the same time, the patient follows treatment to prepare the endometrium, the lining of the uterus, so that it is ready to receive the embryo. Once the donor egg are fertilized with donor sperm in the lab, the embryos are monitored as they develop. When the embryo is ready, the transfer is performed. The embryo transfer is usually a quick and simple procedure. After that, the next step is wait for the pregnancy test. Why Spain? Spain is one of the leading countries in Europe for fertility treatments. For double donation, Spain offers several advantages: anonymous donation, access to advanced reproductive techniques, personalized protocols, and in many cases, shorter waiting times. Treatment can also be available for women up to age of 50 after medical evaluation. Double donation is not giving up. For many patients, it is a new opportunity to become pregnant when other options are no longer possible. If you would like to know whether double donation in Spain could be the right option for your case, book a personalized consultation with Vida Fertility. Our team will study your situation and explain your options step by step.